Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make adorable handmade customized cards. So what I did, of course, is I had to run to Joann's with their whole sale going on with them closing. It's so sad they're closing, but to the benefit, everything is up to 40 to 50% off. So these, I got stickers. I think they were 30 to 20% off. Plus, of course, I had to pick up a little sketch pad for myself. And I am having a baby nephew that will be here any minute, and I'm so excited. So I thought, with my handmade crochet items that I made for my nephew, I am going to also hand make my new little nephew's gift plus a big brother card for my current nephew. So of course I had to get some birthday stickers. Here we can see the celebration theme. Here's a little swipe through of all the fun stickers that you get if you get this pack at Joann's in their sticker section. I thought it was adorable. It had some fun gifts, some badges, happy birthday banners, all the celebration things that anyone would love to get, especially a little boy. So I thought this is so fun to showcase that, and I had a really fun time picking out these different stickers. It kind of helped feel like I was a kid again by going and changing out all these different things. I then of course had to pick up these. There was a box of 40 for what, like $5 I think I got these cards. Thank you, Joann's, for your sales. So I was really excited to kind of show all the different styles and designs that come in this floral box. And I get to show you the card that I ultimately picked out. What I loved about this is that they're easy, they're blank. You can either leave them as is or some of them, especially when they have these really cool reflective. And at the same time, you can also add and customize by adding stickers or card craft stock on top of it. So I'll be getting into that very soon. I really liked the leafy one, so that's the one I went with for the new baby and a big brother gift. So of course I had to buy these adorable 3D stickers, and it was the last baby boy theme one, so I was really excited I got my hands on these. So here I am just kind of laying out and placing where I want it to be. This part is where you can actually have so much fun with it. I added in some little other stickers, little bottle, and a little passy. I thought it was super cute and really added that personal touch to it. Then, of course, when I went inside with a blank page, I was thinking, what are ways I can dress this up? So a better way to not only have some fun is by celebrating, so it'll be the birthday. So adding in some cute happy birthday stickers and placing those over, trying to figure out the right placement. This took a minute. I wanted to place it perfectly, but it was a little big, but that's no problem. Just kind of push that under the side. And of course, I went in adding in some other fun celebration and birthday stickers. So that is done. Now the inside look, of course, I will then need to add in my little note, and there we go. I then, of course, decided to add something to the back of the card because it was feeling a little empty, but I'm really excited with how this is looking. I thought that was a nice finishing touch, adding a little hat to the back. So now we have our baby card, and then this is how I made the little man birthday card celebration for him being a big brother card for my other nephew, because I'll write, he'll always be my little man no matter what other little man comes into my life. So I thought this was really cute and a really fun way to not only get crafty and have fun, but then also make cards out of love. And of course, I had to add a little handmade with love attachment to the back there in my writing. And it just really showed that you can get cards, even if they're, at Target or Hallmark, whatever kind of brand you're looking for. They can be like $8 to $10 cards. And this was, I got $5 for a whole thing of 40. Plus, I got to pick out exactly what I wanted and write exactly inside of what I wanted to say. And I thought this was a really fun way to get crafty and also add that personal touch. So I hope this inspired you to get crafty and maybe make your next card that you give to somebody. Stay tuned for more videos, and I hope to see you soon.